do vlogmas. We're gonna see how it goes. I literally look so scary right now. Currently November 30th, tomorrow is December 1st. I cannot believe how fast that came. I tried doing some vertical short form content, but honestly the long form content just is more natural and appealing to me, and that's what I love watching. I look terrible, but that's why we started the vlog, because I'm going to oil my hair, massage my scalp, take the shower. I'm gonna cook dinner later, so all of that will be part of this. So my hair is dirty. I don't know why it's been getting so dirty so quickly. Recently started doing this probably like 2 months ago, and either all of these pieces are new hair growth or broken hair. I am chalking it up to be new hair growth. One day I went on Amazon and ordered a bunch of hair stuff because I want my long, thick, not even long because like my hair's been short for a couple of months now, but just like very healthy hair is the goal. So I take this bamboo brush and literally brush my hair out for 5 minutes. It just essentially stimulates your scalp. I've heard a bunch of mixed things on rosemary oil, as I'm sure the rest of us have if you have TikTok, and you're not supposed to keep the oil in for too long. Scalp massager, I have one of these in the shower as well. Anything 100% oil, do your research, but this one I know isn't too harsh on the scalp. You don't want to part your hair. As long as it's like touching the scalp and not just laying on the hair, you're doing it right. You don't want to do too much. Like too much oil doesn't do you any good. Take the scalp massager. Honestly, for 10 minutes, I think I'm gonna do this and call my mom. If I do this earlier in the day, I typically will put in my Way hair mask that I use in the shower and put that on my ends to sit. I really try to do more of like clean beauty. You can't win them all. The 100% jojoba oil is clean, great, no bad stuff in it. The Way, I've heard mixed reviews, but honestly the scent is good and it works very well. This is actually perfect because my friend Shay has been telling me to do a hair routine for her. So Shay, this is for you. We'll do a blowout and stuff later too. Let's call her and show her this is what I look like. Look at me putting oil in my hair, and I'm gonna take a nice shower after. I had a bunch of calls and my hair has just been looking like this. I have it in this claw clip, still looking very dusty. I'm gonna shower now. I'm gonna show you what products I use in the shower. How stunning is this shower, first of all? So these I got sent to me from Babe Lash, believe it or not. I like the smell. They remind me of the yellow Orbe, which I'm obsessed with, but I think those are really bad for you. And for anyone asking about this, don't ask, like just start doing this, it's amazing. Body serum, body cream. This is a clean brand, a Cure. Don't love it at all, so that's just like extra. Aloe face wash. And then this is the best soap ever. I've had this since we moved in. I probably used a quarter of it. And then 2 native washes. We were using this one, but I put this one in front because I feel like it's more wintry. And then to the whole reason I'm showing this, I started using the detox shampoo. I got this during the Sephora sale and I really like it. It foams up really nice. This is the fine to medium hair. It smells so good. So thick and moisturizing. This is my everyday brush. I normally bring this in the shower and I keep this in my shower and I put some of the bronzer soap in it and scrub it, but I'm just gonna do it in the sink because I forgot to do that and I want to make sure now that my hair is clean, this is clean as well. Going to brush my hair with the clean brush. I just do a middle part. I used to do a side part. My friend Shay inspired me to do a middle part. Keep on the Way theme, I also use Way leave-in conditioner. I have a backup I got during the Sephora sale. I used to just spray it in my hair like this, but I saw that you're supposed to spray it in your hand. I mix it up and then just run my palms through. I'm gonna do 3 more today because my hair is feeling extra dry with this lovely West Coast weather we're having. I'm freezing. It's been like 60 and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so cold. And then everyone at home in Connecticut is like, enough from you, it's 30 here. I let this air dry for a little bit and then I blow it out after. Got this from the Sephora sale, this Dream Coat in Color Wow. You're supposed to saturate your hair in this and I guess it lasts like every 5 washes, but I do it like every other. Maybe I'm not supposed to. Essentially just really helps blow out and so you don't have frizz. So you're supposed to spray this on damp hair. It gets activated with heat. OG YouTube. Aloe Power Elixir Serum. So I just put a couple of drops on. My mom's obsessed with all this stuff. Like she swears by it, so do I. It's all I've used for like 2 years now. I think I have a code. I think it's Kayla 15, Kayla 20, Kayla something. And then I use the second part of the 2-step routine, 3D Power Hydrator Waterless Face Cream. This stuff is amazing. My favorite time to wear this is at night. I don't love it under makeup. I think it's waterless. All my products are water-based, so this being waterless doesn't work. They're like pills. My friend Ryan actually taught me that like a year ago, but now that like that whole water silicone TikTok trend is going on. I put 2 and 2 together. And then I also have this eye cream. I actually use this in the morning if I'm doing this. These are the Aloe products. Amazing. Lastly, we go in with Babe Lash. They sent me these. Thank you, Babe Lash. This is the Amplifying Brow Serum. You hear my stomach growling? I'm starving to cook dinner. And then Essential Eyelash Serum. I swear to God, they used to put crack in these 3 or 4 or 5 years ago when I used it. My eyelashes were so insanely long. And like, they're still long, but they were on another level. And I'd used, I think it was Babe Lash or Grande Lash. And I swear they like watered down the formula. Last but not least, Holy Grail Laneige lip mask. This is the vanilla one. I have a backup vanilla as well. My favorite thing ever is when you dig a hole and then this thing fits in there. Just look at what the way that makes your lips look. Like, are you kidding? I was just grabbing a drink and I wanted to show you guys my cute little Christmas corner here. How adorable. And then also, I figured while we're here, let me show you the drink fridge. We have alcohol, seltzer cans, and then up here I have Aperol, a bottle, 2 bottles of wine, and then my big Pellegrinos that I just grabbed. And I literally hate filling my water bottle, so I always leave it there to fill. So I'm gonna fill that up. I feel like I just saw the camera moving. Pellegrino is like a soft seltzer. I like a thick, bubbly, like burns your throat seltzer. I'm going to do pasta. One of my favorite noodles from Trader Joe's. It's clearly I went to Trader Joe's. This is their baby broccolini. I'm gonna dice up. I've eaten this before, but I've never cooked it. I'm gonna do the pancetta in this pan with olive oil. Add some butter, probably some minced garlic. Let me get that out. Cool little back door we have here. So I'm gonna need that too. All Trader Joe's. It'll be like a kind of cream buttery oil sauce. We have protein, starch, veg, fats, and then I'm also gonna do these crescent rolls in the little toaster oven. I barely use the oven because I always use this toaster oven. I have everything ready because I'm OCD. Bowls, forks. Look at this salt thing I got from Amazon. My mom actually got it for me. Cute, for like little sea salt. This is the overview because I'm not going to film cooking because I'm doing a TikTok of it. I also have salted water here that's been sitting. I'm gonna start on this, but I kind of want to blow my hair out first. Does anyone care? My mom does, so that's all that matters. Look at my stunning flowers I just got. Trader Joe's. In this vase, I found it at Home Goods. It was a find. I've been looking for something like this. Honestly, not angled like normal, but I prefer the angled. It's so stunning. I think it was $8. I'm gonna blow my hair out and then cook.
Oh, okay. I haven't seen her wear it in like a couple weeks.
The shooter show?
Kid, your vlogging kid.
Yeah, I wanna say hi. I've done such good vlogs since you guys have been gone.
What's up, bitches?
It's literally printed on. Yeah, it's like a printer.
Well, the other one was raised.
Yeah, the other one, yeah.
So is it gonna be raised?
It's gonna be raised.
So
This is just a faster.
I think that's probably better.
Smaller, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
But like, also you can't really read it all.
What time's dinner, sex?
Yeah, probably. You have time to play your game. I like that light. You could tell my hair is dried a little bit. I need to do this quick because I have garlic on the stove and I don't want it to burn. So I use the Revlon. Tell me if I should stop using this if it ruins your hair. Probably does, but honestly it looks really good. So basically section it in half and then grab little sections at a time. And I literally, like, if I'm being honest, I just go like this.
I met you back in December. I was feeling under the weather. You tried to make it all better, but now all we do.
That's the Blowout. I really like the way it turned out. It lasts like 3 days. My hair just like gets like oily. I don't know why. Next, I'm going to use the Jisoo oil. A little goes a long way. Warm this up between my hands and then through the ends. Yeah, that literally like instantly smoothed it out. I really like this oil. It also smells amazing. I would use this every day on my hands. And then last step is going in with this Color Wow Style on Steroids during Sephora sale again. I almost got their hairspray and I asked the girl if she recommended the hairspray and I'm like, it's for blowouts because I really only do this. I don't really curl or straighten my hair that much. So she's like, I would recommend the texture spray. So this definitely holds the, oh, I just ate it. Holds the curls. And then I also flip my head over. And it makes it a little stiff at first, like as you could see. It looks kind of crazy, but you're supposed to like run your fingers through after, which in a brush, but my brush is wet, so I'm just gonna do my fingers. Okay, I need to go cook. I just wanted to show in the mirror because I feel like it picks up my hair a little better. Yeah, kinda. Oh, there we go. Stunning.
Gave the burger a 9.1. And pasta 8.2. It's up there for sure.
We definitely dropped. What do you think?
8.2? Give it an 8.7.
What'd you give the burger?
9.4.
Wow. It is pretty good.
Burger.
Here is dinner. I just finished making it. I'll put the TikTok I made as well.
What is this camera doing right here in my face?
Hope you guys like it. Something different. What are you guys saying? Hey! You switched it up?
That's what we were laughing at.
No. Yeah, you said you wanted it, remember? Like a tilter backer.
You should get the stuff.
What is that?
Guess who it is?
240 bucks.
Good food. Went for second.
It's not that huge.
Got it done.
The reason they were so cheap is because we just
You know me.
Jamie! Jamie!
Dinner is done. It was a hit. Now, I saw this term on TikTok, but I put my house to sleep. Started with the kitchen. Everything's so clean. I just did all of the dishes. I just cleaned this. Jake is gonna shut the blinds. It looks like such a vibe in here with those lights. I lit this candle. I got this 4-pack from Costco, actually, and this is the first one I'm burning because it's my favorite scent, toasted vanilla. Gonna finish this, might have a cup of tea. I'm actually going to edit this TikTok I made. I was just so satisfied with how clean. Minus Jake's water bottle, that's ruining the vibe. So clean and stunning in here. And look at this, we gotta start this, yeah, tomorrow. Is it tomorrow? That's amazing, oh my God, I'm excited. I'm gonna edit here.
Yeah,
you have
headphones.
It's silent. It's just the ASMR sounds. I'm not editing the vlog.
Okay, well, you gotta back up because Lug said that when you're cooking over here, like you're just putting like a plate down.
I don't
like,
care.
Well, no one wants to play with you. Then you have to play alone.
Perfect. What do you think, kid? Is it the best milkshake in LA?
Do you like McDonald's better?
It's pretty good. McDonald's does compete with
No, what about
Mel's?
Mel's?
It just tastes like realer, but McDonald's
Let me
does
try
smack.
It's pretty good. It's not as vanilla-y as you would think, right?
Yeah. Like McDonald's one is honestly stronger.
No, it's not.
7. McDonald's I give it 8.
I
Mel's I give it 9.
I got cookies and cream and brown sugar cookie brownie. Brown sugar brownie. And the strawberry shortcake is absolutely disgusting. And Logan got coffee. And I got 3 toppings. I got hot fudge, whipped cream, rainbow sprinkles. And you know you could have gotten 3 toppings, you just got 2.
Oh no, end of the world.
What is playing right now?
Sexy red.
Are you kidding? That looks so good. Wish I brought my camera. These guys are being hilarious. Is that hindering your music in the background isn't helping? Alright, where's the cookies and cream? Hot fudge interrupted. We just got home from getting ice cream and we went to Dobrik's and they didn't have, I can't speak. They didn't have the spicy vodka anymore.
Why do I have to?
So Jake.
They had Natalie's pie! This is ridiculous.
So we got that.
This is
And
just
then we
all
went to, it's all melted, I'm so sad.
Oh my God, it's all over the counter.
Went to Van Leeuwen to try it. We never been to the actual store. There's like, do they put fudge in the bottom?
Bro, the cup's made of fudge. There's like a distributor in the thing that just squeezes fudge every bite.
We both got hot fudge in ours and it's way too much. I need to cover mine up, put it in the freezer.
This is like ridiculous. You ate a lot of yours.
No, I didn't.
I don't know.
I do that. You notice like the drinks I always have in the fridge?
Yeah.
Like this one in there right now. And it lasts me like 6 days. No, coffee's every 2 days. Orange juice is like 5 days. Juice is like 2 days. Like green juice.
I'm good on my soup. There was like 106 in there.
I think it's because they bake the cookies fresh.
Cookies? It's a fucking ice cream place.
No, they have fresh baked cookies. Remember I said we should get one? Hey, I need that open. So we had such a fun drive, but I didn't bring my camera because I was writing an essay. Literally. So I was distracted. Okay, so let's clean up out here. This purple light is really cool. AirPods away, water bottle away. I put my sweats back on because we left the house and now I can't wait to take them off. I have this cool charger from Amazon. Charges your AirPods, Apple Watch, and phone lays down here, but at night I put this to cover the light. Oh, and then I take out my sleep mask because I sleep with that little guy. I should make some tea, but I know if I drink it now, I'm going to pee. Good night. POV, you live with men, boys, children.
Someone on the thing.
Somewhat on the thing.
That's James.
What is that doing on the ground? This is not how we keep the household. Bless you. Oh, I need to just get my life together. Signing off, gonna brush my teeth, email my mom, and go to sleep. Good night. Yes. Oh my god, there's more than 3 episodes. We fell asleep for 3.
We went through 3 episodes?
Yes, it's episode 6. Oh, we are like 10 minutes in.